Hey guys, it's Rick with Rick Sells Tools on YouTube and eBay. This set's live on eBay right now for sale. This is a 1/2-inch drive, snap-on, 6-point, deep socket set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pieces. If you go to shop.snapon.com and you take any one of these sockets and type it in, it shows that these are part of an 11-piece set. So obviously the person who bought this set bought this 9-piece set and then bought these 2 additional. So this also does have the 7/16. So this is SIM 140 and this is SIM 120 to 3/8. So I'll show you the rest of the sizes and then I'll give you a close-up on these sockets. If you're interested, they're on eBay. Rick Sells Tools. SIM 160. This is normally where the set starts. That's 1/2 inch. This is SIM 180 9/16. This is 5/8 SIM 200. SIM 220 11/16. This is 3/4 SIM 240 and also says it's 19mm. This is a 13/16 SIM 260. This is the 7/8 SIM 280, also says 22mm. 15/16 SIM 300, and then the 1-inch SIM 320. I'm going to stand up here. They do have owner's marks if you care. It's right there. It's TMG, if this will even focus. TMG. So what I think I'll do is I'll bring the camera in and give you guys a close-up of these sockets. It's going to be a heck of a deal. These are retailing for it's over 400 when you add these 2 sockets. So let me bring you in real quick to take a look at it. Now, like I said, these sockets retail, this set would be 400 with these 2 here. I have it listed on eBay sub 200. So here you go. Let's show you the back side if we can. Here's the drive side. Some of them used, some of them really haven't been used that much. I'll do my best here while I'm holding the camera. This is the drive side. I'll show you the business end right after I'm done showing you this. Wonder if this will work. How's that? Now I'm going to flip them around so you can see the 6-point side, the business end. Again, Rick Sells Tools. I'm going to be putting up 3 snap-on socket sets in the next 24 hours. If you go to Rick Sells Tools, you'll see them. There's the set. Okay, many more videos to come. Thanks for watching. Rick Sells Tools on eBay if you want these. See you soon. Bye-bye.